Hi everybody, I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a brand new subscription to my channel and it's a book subscription called Books That Matter. This is what it looks like. If you know a little bit about the subscription and you're just curious and seeing what's inside their February box, then you'll find a timestamp down below in the comments. But if you're new, then carry on watching. The cost of the box is £17 a month. There's shipping of £3 within the UK. They do ship to different European countries, but not every single one. But you're able to find out if they ship to your country at checkout and also the additional shipping. They offer a monthly subscription or a 3, 6 and 12-month subscription or a one-off box for £17 as well. Each month you'll find at least 3 gifts and at least 1 book. There is lots and lots of information on their website which you will find down below. I'll pop a link down below. Plus I have a refer a friend link which you're welcome to use if you want to, which will entitle you to receive £5 off your first box. I'll pop that down there below as well. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. And they also have a private subscribers Facebook group as well, so you're able to talk about the book and give your own reviews and things like that. So I think that's it. If I've missed anything out, I'll pop it down below. But let's get on to showing you what's inside their February box. Now, unfortunately, you will not be able to receive a February box. You are able to subscribe until the 20th of every month. I've had this for a few days and I only found that information out recently. I'm so sorry. This is a one-off box that I purchased myself, but if I subscribe or have a one-off box again, then I'll make sure to do it as early as I can. Then as soon as I receive it, I will do a video straight away, so then you've got the option then if you want to have this box or not. So if you subscribe now, your first box will be next month's box. And look what's inside. It's packaged beautifully. Books that inspire, inform, engage, expand, empower, surprise, enlighten, amplify, educate, explore, comfort, challenge, enchant, disrupt, captivate, influence, uplift, illuminate, interrogate, question, testify, include and represent matter. So inside each box you receive a booklet, and in here it's like a little mini magazine. There's lots of information. It tells you all about the subscription. It tells you about your box. There's some information about different authors, there's some poems, little short stories, and some information about the theme, which I'll tell you about. A box all about re-examining what love means to us. We're all about prioritising all forms of love, sex, positivity, and so much more. We are thrilled to reveal that our book of the month is the gorgeous new paperback version of Tori Peters' women's prize long-listed novel, Detransition Baby. This one here. Navigating the complicated waters of family making and motherhood in the 21st century, this exciting and very funny debut follows the lives of 3 trans and cis women living in New York. In tearing apart what we think we know about love, relationships and motherhood, this novel felt an irresistible fit for this February. I've got another book here. It says, we are so excited to have also brought together an exclusive anthology of essays revolving around love, sex and relationships, taken from some of the team's favourite non-fiction reads. We've cherry-picked a beautiful and complimentary selection, including extracts from Natasha Lynn's Conversations on Love, Angelica Marlin's Unattached, Bell Hook's iconic All About Love, as well as advice from Keep the Receipts, written by the girls behind the Receipts podcast. So there's that as well. So let's take a look. Book first. I'm a sucker for presentation and this is gorgeous. I love the bright pink design. We've had some background information about this book. All the books are paperback, by the way, and it retails for £8.99. Some reviews say her wicked humour, her zipping compassion, brilliant. Can make you laugh and cry in the space of a single chapter. Another so good I want to scream. And that's what she's nominated for down there as well. So I can't wait to get into that. I cannot wait. I am trying my hardest to put down my phone. I don't want to spend as much time on my phone anymore. I've had enough. Especially at night. I can't help it. If I can't sleep, then I pick up my phone and I just browse TikTok, whatever takes my fancy. I used to love reading, absolutely love reading when I was little. No internet back in those days, but yeah, I used to be a complete bookworm. Now I've got dyslexia and I've got ADHD and dyscalculia, so it takes me a while to actually get in the zone, to be able to read a book. But once I'm in there, that's it. I don't care what is happening around me, as long as the kids are okay and everything. But yeah, that's it. I could spend all day reading. That's why I decided to take out some book subscriptions this month. So something for me to read in bed at night. So yeah, so there's that. And then back to this little booklet here. It's a little short stories, which is nice. A nice easy read. Really great for me. Nice big writing. A quote from Angelica Marlin. What a gift that is to know that everything you need in life is within you, and that it always was, but needs its opportunity to shine through. Now on to the added treats in the box. First up, I've got a card here, and it says Love Yourself Better with M Joy. M Joy are on a mission to normalise female pleasure, one audio at a time, with no frills, real facts and real fun. The team of sexual wellbeing experts have created 300 plus audio sessions and sexy stories for all types of women. They are offering Books That Matter subscribers 2 weeks free to explore and enjoy audios on body acceptance, increasing your libido and thrilling stories. And there's a QR code then to use. Then we've got some heated masks. This is by Century Retreats Armour Eye Self-Heating Eye Mask, Balancing Rose Scent. I've got a lovely collection of these. Lots of different scents, lots of different brands. Yeah, they're fab. They're really nice. They're self-heating, self-warming. Last for about, say, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, something like that. But yeah, so there's that. Got a sweet treat. I adore these. I absolutely love candy kittens. And strawberry, wild strawberry. Vegan recipe, palm oil free. This is a little mini packet, which I believe you can get. I think maybe for £1 or something like that in shops. Oh, I love them. I'm going to eat those after. Then I got a tea bag. This is Bird and Blend Tea Co. Spreading happiness, regaining tea. Calling all space cadets. Dreamy lemon and lavender. Oh, that sounds really nice, actually. Yeah, really, really nice. Can't have a book subscription without a bookmark. Oh, we've got a bag here that says BRB Me Time. A little pouch there that you could use for anything. I do really like this. Yeah, I like that. Put all my like little washcloths and things like that if I'm going away for the night. So those are all the items inside this month's Books That Matter. I am really impressed with this subscription. I love all the information surrounding the theme. You go onto their website and you'll know what I mean. Plus we have a lot of information before the box is released as well. So if I can find any information about the March books, which I'm sure will be on their website by now, I'll pop that down below in my description as well. But I'd love to hear what you think. Do you subscribe to Books That Matter? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. Or is this the first time you're hearing of it? What do you think of it? So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.